Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Hedera hash graph chart. Hedera hash graph or HBAR is moving. The price is moving up quite impulsively and we want to take a look at the latest price action. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. If you register here, you can do that completely for free. Then you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. This is the place, this is the location where we provide all of our updates, also for tech stocks and other asset classes. Today, we want to take a look at the HBAR chart. We've only done that recently, but I think price action allows for another or suggests another look at this chart. So we can see that so far, at least, our forecast is playing out. We have talked about in previous updates about an upcoming potential third wave rally long term to $1.20 plus. That's up here in the target area. 120, 121, a little higher than that would be ideal. That's sort of the first ideal target for a third wave, which would normally be the most aggressive wave in a cycle. Now you can see it on this chart that this is quite an aggressive move up. Now we still need a little bit more price action to really suggest or indicate, confirm if this is more than just a quick pump and dump move, because news related events or news related rallies in the crypto sector, they often tend to top in three waves. So it could just be an ABC price action, ABC top, which could then break down again. So we need a little bit more, let's say, a little bit more price action, a little bit more structure to confirm further what this really is. But we can take a look at that on the smaller time frame. So I would say let's take a look now at the smaller time frame. Before we do that, there is a level here that needs to be broken on the larger time frame to really indicate that we're on our way to 120. That's just a breakout level, an important level to be crossed to unlock those prices. Here we talk about 45 cents. Far away from that, and at the moment we're trading around 14 cents while I record this video. So there is much more movement required, but you know, this can happen so quickly. Just like a few weeks ago, we were around 4 to 5 cents and we're now hovering around 14. So things can happen very quickly in the crypto space, especially when we're dealing with these third wave rallies. Now it's important overall, I mean, that is, I think I said it in the last few days, it's across the sector, something that really needs to happen. You know, prices need to hold above the November lows. Now any break below the November lows would likely lead to a break of the current structure. It would be invalidation, and this rally attempt, this upside reversal attempt, which looks really promising at the moment, there is the euphoria in the market, well, that will fail. Okay, now they can always try again, but this is promising at the moment, and the break below the November low, which would be here around the 4.5 cent mark, that's going to lead to a failure of the rally. Now it would even be good to hold now above this 10 cent mark. We talked in previous video about this as a very important upside breakout point, a move above this wave one high a while ago, and that happened. Okay, and the idea would now be that we are in a third wave, then there should be a wave 4 and a wave 5, and when we get these 5 waves up, we can provide the next trading area, probably also here for this internal pullback. If there is enough structure for us to provide another trading area, we will do that. We can see that the price did hold above the invalidation point and is currently following through and is following our analysis, our roadmap. We've added a little bit more detail to the wave structure. This move up could play out a little longer, and once we start to see potential for a pullback, we can add a trading area if it's clear. Yeah, it's not always clear, but if it's clear, and then once we get the next 5 waves up, we can watch for the wave 2 pullback, which would be an even better structure, maybe to look for a position for a pullback setup in a so-called 1-2 setup. These are typically deep pullbacks in an overall uptrend and can be quite promising in terms of, good reward to risk ratio and very clear parameters. So overall quite promising. Important is now that we're holding above the November low and that the price then follows through and over the coming months ideally breaks above that 45 cent level. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or tech stock you want me to cover in one of the following videos. And don't forget to register on the website. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.